Everyone wants to be healthy and lose weight, but what does science have to say about weight loss advice in light of all these diet products and programs? Let's start by stating the obvious: exercise. Physical activity not only burns calories right away, but scientists recently discovered that it also keeps burning fat as you sleep. The majority of the available carbs in your body are used up during exercise for energy, and they are replaced throughout the next 24 hours. While this is happening, it starts to break down your fat reserves so you can walk, talk, and even sleep. Avoid skipping meals, in particular, the breakfast. When you starve yourself, your body and brain produce strong cravings for high-calorie items rather than low-calorie alternatives. Breakfast in particular offers your metabolism a boost so you can burn more calories throughout the day and maintain normal blood sugar and hormone levels. It also helps to increase the amount of protein and low-fat dairy in your diet. Take soup. Soup is likely one of the best-kept diet secrets. To speak of, the molecule PYY is released in high amounts by protein, and it travels to the brain to block hunger signals. Simply increasing the protein in your food by 10% will help you feel fuller for longer. On the other hand, low-fat dairy products contain calcium, which binds to other lipids you've had and forms an unabsorbable soup-like mixture. Instead, your body eliminates this soup along with more of the ingested fat. Water. When you drink water with your meal, the liquid is swiftly absorbed before the food is digested, which quickly reduces the size of your stomach and makes you feel hungry. By blending the same meal, the fluids have a much tougher difficulty being swiftly absorbed, causing your stomach to remain extended and prolonging your feeling of fullness. Do a calorie count. According to studies, those who diligently track their calorie intake in a notebook see vast improvements over those who do not. Additionally, by structuring your diet to allow you to eat more while consuming fewer calories, you can take advantage of the fact that a coffee has 10 calories while a cappuccino has 100. Reduce your plate size. According to studies, switching from 12 to 10 inches can help you eat up to 22% less. Even when we are full, our bodies find it difficult to say no to food that is put in front of us. Thus, it is better to have less food on your plate. Finally, a significant influence on how much we eat comes from stress and sleep. Stress and lack of sleep can boost hunger, making it more difficult to lose weight. If you really want to be fit and lose weight, you can try our free weight loss guide for next 30 days. It will surely help you. You can find the guide link in the description. Thank you. See you in the next video.